Life insurance is commonly discussed as an option used in financial strategy which may protect the financial security of your loved ones. First, life insurance may help provide financial protection, covering expenses like medical bills, funeral costs, debts, and more, to ease the burden during difficult times. Second, life insurance may replace your income, ensuring your family's financial stability even when you're no longer there. Third, some life insurance policies include a cash value component, offering a financial buffer for unexpected expenses. Fourth, life insurance may help to provide financial stability during tough times, like covering funeral costs and immediate expenses. Fifth, life insurance can be used for legacy planning, leaving a financial inheritance for loved ones or supporting charitable causes. Sixth, life insurance may allow access to cash value, providing a financial cushion in your golden years if needed in emergency situations. Seventh, life insurance riders may offer important health benefits, providing financial support in case of serious illness or disability. Eighth, life insurance can be used as an estate planning option, helping to cover any necessary estate taxes and final expenses. Ninth, life insurance policies can offer certain tax advantages, like a generally tax-free death benefit and tax-deferred cash value accumulation. Life insurance is one of several options in protecting the financial security of your loved ones. Understanding the 9 reasons why life insurance is important for your loved ones can help you plan for your family's long-term financial needs. Visit westernsouthern.com for more tips. We can help you assess your needs and find the right policy for you.